What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Calm Life Halloween Decoration Projector Lights. Alright, now you can get this on Amazon.com and it's going to run you $39.99. Projection light has a 16 to 32 foot projection range. The material is ABS, which is basically just like hard plastic. Its waterproof level is IP65. Product size is 5.6 inches by 4.7 inches by 4.4 inches, and the product weight is 1.5 pounds. It has 12 pieces of fadeless slides, projector light and ocean wave light combo, large projection area, remote control and auto timer, RGBW 4 colors, IP65 waterproof, ground stake and mount base installation, and multiple usage for celebrations. Now it comes with 12 slides with decorative patterns, and they come with plug-in cards with decorative patterns for different big holidays and water wave projection. It's good to use to adorn your home or big parties for the holidays. Now it has an auto timer also. Note, it's not harmful at all to the eyes. The charger is not waterproof, but let's open this up. See what you get in the box. These are your slides, and right here you have, looks like a base in there, and this looks like another kind of base with a threaded screw on there, and you got instructions. And you got your power adapter. Let's see what else you got. You got your stake for the threaded screw on there. You got some screws and stuff, and some anchors. You got a remote control, and last thing is a Calm Life product card. Alright, so here is your projection light right here. You see you got two sides. So this one, I guess, is the one with the slides, and this is the light for the projector. And you have a cord right here, so I'm guessing your cord just plugs in like that. So what I would do, though, what I'm gonna do is when I plug this in, I'm gonna wrap it in duct tape. You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna have to use an extension cord. So I'm gonna wrap this in the extension cord and electrical tape, not duct tape. I might do electrical tape and then duct tape over top of it, because when it rains or snows or something like that, I don't want it to get damaged. And this cord looks pretty long. I can't say just from looking at it, but it looks longer than 6 foot. So I'm gonna say that it's a decent size. At the top, I think this is where your slides go in. Let's see. Yeah, so this is where your slides going right here. You got a number 1 on there. Put that down in there. Where's the rest of the slides at? Alright, so we got a whole bunch of slides in the baggie. So let's check them out. And you got a number 2 on there. Number 7. So they're all numbered. So you can use the different slides and put them in there and change them out as you like. Alright, so next thing you'd have to connect would be your base which is this right here, and I'll probably just use the steak that it came with. And you get the accessories at a little baggie. Let's get these out of here. Let's see what we got. So this is your little mount, which I'm guessing goes on here like that. You just put that on there, and then you got some screws in the bag as well. 2 screws, and you screw that in. And it doesn't come with a screwdriver, so I'll have to provide your own. So after you screw on this mount, then you have 2 options. You have this option, which is your flat base with your threaded screw. Now this, I would say, is ideal for a flat surface, or if you had to screw this into a surface or something, you can use this base. If you're putting it in the yard, which I'll be doing, then you could use this. So all you do is take this, screw it on there like that, and then you're ready to go. Now just check these out, and you can see it through the slide that this is a St. Patty's Day. You see the little bear mug, and you see a clover and some other things. Now that's the only way that I figured out how to identify the different slides. And this is a Valentine's Day. You see Cupid, you see a rose, you see some hearts. I think that's some lips. And then this one is a let's see if I can get it focused. This is a Thanksgiving slide. So you got a turkey, and then you got a pumpkin. I think it's a pumpkin or something like that. And then you got like food and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. But that is the only way that I figured out how to identify the slides. Alright, now I'm about to show you my setup real quick of how I set this light up. Let's get to it. So just use a stick, put it in the ground. Put the stake in the ground like that. Real easy. I aimed it up towards the wall. It won't hit that wall, but it should hit the wall in the back, the red brick wall, hopefully. But we'll see tonight when I turn it on. And you see the cord going through the yard. Oh, and I taped it like this. Now there's electrical tape under this duct tape. Keep it secure and from the elements, hopefully. And then it's running down the porch and into the window right there. Running right into there. So we're going next part we're gonna see is what it look like when it's turned on. I originally had the Halloween slide in there, but we moved it to the porch, put the porch base on it, and this is what it looks like. That's hot right there. Definitely like that. So we're gonna be using this on every holiday, switching them up. You know, my wife and kids love stuff like this, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Real nice, festive. What is DO, aka Barnes Urban Tech Reviews? If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.